All right, I've got a 2011 Yamaha Grizzly 550, and this four-wheeler is not revving up very well. Feels like maybe a sock or something is stuck in the muffler, which isn't the case. It feels like maybe the spark plug is fouled, and that has also been replaced. I've got the plastics off for other reasons, but I am going to show you what we did to fix this problem. I have got the air filter. I've undone some plastics and can get to the air filter, and I want to just show you what that air filter looks like. And this is causing the problem. We should have started here. We are servicing this four-wheeler, so at some point we would have gotten to this. But you've got a handful of clips, and it's a little bit challenging to do this while you're holding the phone, but the camera here. But we've got a rubber strap up front as well. You won't need to pull that rubber strap off to remove the lid, but since we are going to remove this air filter because of what I'm going to show you here, you will need to pull that rubber strap. There's one down in front here. You've got 2, 4, 6 total. So that is the reason why we weren't revving up. A couple dead mice and a packed filter full of mice droppings and hay. So now what I'm going to do is remove this entire air filter. That way we're not dumping all these mouse droppings down on the four-wheeler. We've got an Allen wrench here. We've got a T-handle. We're going to come in here and loosen up this clamp here. And this air box has got one boot going down to the throttle body. And so once you loosen up this clamp here, you've got a little bit more room to play, but there's also going to be a couple hoses down underneath of the air box. So we're going to lift that up there, and you can take a screwdriver and kind of just push that up. Sometimes that boot sticks. And then we've got that up. Now we've got 2 hoses underneath of there that need removed. One bigger one, I'm going to guess that's about a 1/2 inch outer diameter. And then there's another one that's probably a 3/8 inch. So we're going to remove those and clean the air filter, replace the air filter, the foam part of it, and then put this back together, and we should be all set to go. So easy fix. You don't have to replace a muffler. Maybe something broke loose in there and was causing some backup, but that is not the case. Thanks for watching.